guys! Hello guys! Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. For today's video, pupunta kami sa Buwakan ni Alegra. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang place na yon. It's a beautiful place here in Cebu City. Cebu. Sa part siya ng Cebu. So, search nyo lang Buwakan ni Alegra. So, let's go. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung anong meron doon para may idea rin kayo pag pupunta kayo ng Cebu. So, tulog yung aking anak. Siya yung mga kasama ko. Hello. Driver ko. So, busy siya. So, expect nyo na pag pupunta kayo dito is nakakatakot yung daan. Tapos paikot-ikot siyang ganun-ganun. Basta yun na yun. Basta expect nyo na pataas yung daanan. Tapos paikot-ikot. Nakakahilo. Yun. So, let's go. On the way na kami, guys.
Restaurant over there. The starting point of taking picture is the heart-shaped flower design. Go down and rotate. Later on, if you'd like someone to take your photo, ma'am, sir, feel free to ask our flower attendant nearby. It's a free service.
Okay.
The exit is the same way as the entrance, and be careful with your steps as some areas may be slippery, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Hi, Poppy.
Hello.
There's a baby. There's baby. Push up. Remember? Here. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Buwakan ni Alegra. It's nice here. It's a lot of flowers. It's far away. I think it's 1 hour and 25 minutes drive. Look at that. Look at that. You can see it right here. Nice. Ang ganda. Oh my god. She's so pretty. My man is so handsome. Yeah, boy! Hindi sila fake for sure. I'll show you. Ayan po, totoong bulak. It's real flowers. Nice. Beautiful. Welcome to my vlog. Hi baby! Asa vlog ka na sa akin. Pag matanda ka na, tiga mo yung video mo ah. Hey guys! So yan, tapos na kami. Uwi na kami. Napagod na kami. Tapos na ang picture. So thanks for watching and I hope you like this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.